Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to do a review of a fire maple camping table, small camping table, aluminium, made by Fire Maple, and it's also available under the Alpkit brand name, and the only difference is that it's got Alpkit written there instead of Fire Maple, but they're both exactly the same. So it comes in this orange nylon pouch, which is pretty good. Just opens up. Inside, two pieces of aluminium, and you get two stainless steel bits like that, which make the legs. So all you do is you put them together like so, line them up, and you have two bits there. There we see there and there, and you slot the legs just under there and the other one there, and do the same on the other side. That one goes in there and that one just goes in there, and just there there's two slots there and one there, and all you do is you just get it in there straight. Now let's just come out of that. Just pull them. Oh, pull that. Slips under there, and that one clips under there, and then slip it over, and you have a small table. Which is pretty solid. It's enough to keep the your stuff off the ground, off the out of the bugs and off the mud in the winter. It's reasonably light. I'll put the how much it weighs on the description. It's obviously meant to be for backpacking. I don't know if it's light enough to actually carry if you're going on a long backpacking trip. It's not incredibly light. But it's light enough if you're going on off a wild camping in the winter and stuff like that, and you want to keep your gear out of the mud and off the bugs and stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty good, pretty solid. It took quite a lot of weight on with it. Just taking it apart. Just have a look at it. So this, unclip that, and unclip that. So, and it just comes apart. Goes back in the case. So put them back in together. And that's it. Quite a useful piece of kit.
Sorry.
Okay, that's it really. Quite a useful piece of kit. More for wild camping than backpacking, I think. I don't know if you really want to carry it backpacking, but it's certainly useful for wild camping. And yeah, I think it'd be quite a useful thing to have, really. Okay, well that's it really. Thanks for watching.